Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete photos in iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Photos app on your iPhone. Once opened, press and hold the photo you want to delete. And then swipe down and then tap the delete button on the photo. Then click on delete photo. Now to delete multiple photos at once on your iPhone, click on select at top right and then go ahead and select the photo you want to delete. Once you've selected them, click on the trash button at the bottom right. The spot that says some photos will also be deleted from the album. Go ahead and click on delete photo. Once you click on delete, this is going to delete the photo from your Photos app and then you are good. So that's exactly how to delete photos on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.